Thank you, Presiding Officer, and I thank my colleague Jackie Dunbar for bringing this important topic to the Chamber and highlighting the excellent work of the charity Generations working together. I think we'd all agree that the last 2 years have been challenging, and it's important that we recognise the isolation and loneliness presented by the pandemic for all generations, and also the negative impact on some opportunities for intergenerational working. I always enjoy hearing examples of the intergenerational associations which have been created across Scotland, and today I'm delighted to have the opportunity to highlight some of the inspiring work which has taken place across my constituency of Cunningham South in North Ayrshire. Prior to the outbreak of coronavirus, there were a number of special relationships developed between primary schools and older generation groups. St Mark's Primary and Early Years visited Fennel Community Gardens, Castle Primary School allied with the Burns Daycare Centre. Special recognition has to go to St Winning's Primary School in Colwinning for their stellar efforts at community intergenerational development. St Winning's Primary School worked hard to develop a number of intergenerational opportunities with groups such as Charlie Beach Sheltered Housing, Buckreddon Care Home and St Winning's Over 60s Club. Working with Lingo Flamingo, the young people helped older residents to learn Spanish words, which were later tested playing fun games of Spanish bingo. At Christmas, the young people performed a selection of songs and carols for the St Winning's Over 60s Club and encouraged the members to get involved. What's more, as a result of the incredible benefits that both groups felt through the intergenerational working, Woodland View Dementia Unit, based at Ayrshire Central Hospital in Irvine, visited St Winning's Primary School for a range of activities, including a day visit, a roast beef lunch with some other members of the community and a Christmas assembly. The day visit involved pupils in primary 5 to 7 being assigned a Woodland View patient, where they spent their time giving a tour of the school and having a meal with them. The older folk enjoyed sharing stories and gaining an insight into present school life, which was fun for the young people and also helped them develop essential life skills. St Winning's rich and diverse intergenerational projects underline the mutual benefits to both the younger and older generations and the extent to which it enhances their health and well-being. Sadly, as we all know, the pandemic resulted in some face-to-face interactions being paused. In the midst of adversity, the people of North Ayrshire found other ways to contact the older, sometimes isolated residents of care homes, to make them smile and let them know someone was thinking of them. We saw Colwinning's Artastic CIC's Pots of Talent project provide school children with pots and paint so they could design a colourful reminder for those alone in lockdown that they weren't forgotten. Co-op community member pioneer for Irvine and Dreghorn developed the Sunshine Through Your Letterbox campaign to help those in local care and nursing homes during self-isolation. The campaign saw hundreds of local children sending care homes some sunshine in the post, daily drawings, poems and uplifting messages. The activities coordinator at the Three Towns Care Home in Stevenson noted the residents really enjoy looking at the pictures. It definitely cheers them up and lifts their spirits. Planned to print the drawings out and put them up around the care home. The residents really enjoyed looking at them. And these simple remarks and the examples set out today speak volumes to the mutual value and happiness of intergenerational friendship and collaboration. As our life returns to more of a normality, I'm happy to echo Jackie Dunbar's call to help inspire and reconnect people of all ages with so much to gain from each other here in Scotland and around the world. Start or restart intergenerational connections. Presiding Officer.
Thank you very much, Ms Maguire.